Non-negotiable rules for women. Never beg for attention. Your energy is a real magnet. If they make you question your worth, walk away. Protect your peace like it's your last breath.
Never stay where your voice is dismissed. Choose people who choose you in cool. Silence is a response. Listen to it. Don't overextend yourself to keep others comfortable. If a man wants you, effort with the obvious. Never apologize for having high standards. Love yourself enough to leave when it hurts. Your boundaries are up not for negotiation. Loyalty is a gift. Don't give it to the unworthy. Stop explaining your no. And when your intuition whispers, believe it. Non-negotiable rules for women. Women, you are worthy.